Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve equations with fraction coefficients. Fractions can get kind of messy. We could find the common denominator and work with the fractions, or we can find the least common denominator and multiply it to every single term so that it gets rid of the fractions, making it much less messy. The lowest common denominator for 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So we'll multiply it to both sides of the equation, 12 and 12. On the left side, we'll use the distributive, which means that it is multiplied to every single term. So we get 12 times 1/6 x minus 12 times 1/3 x minus 12 times 1/4 x. And on the right-hand side, we have 12 times negative 1/4. On the left-hand side, we can simplify before we multiply. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And on the right-hand side, 12 divided by 4 is 3. This simplifies it, making it much faster to multiply because we have much smaller numbers, making it easier. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2x, minus 4 times 1 is 4, and we have the x. And we have subtract, so subtract 3 times 1, which is 3, and don't forget the x there. And on the right-hand side, we have 3 times negative 1, which equals negative 3. On the left-hand side, we have a bunch of like terms that we can combine. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Minus 3x makes negative 5x, and this still equals negative 3. To continue isolating the x, we'll divide both sides by negative 5. On the left-hand side, negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels, so we're just left with x. On the right-hand side, a negative divided by a negative is positive, so we end up with the answer of positive 3/5. And we're all done.